Got a leaking toilet up here. Just open the ceiling downstairs. Actually, this is the toilet right here. This guy's leaking down. We're here for this. We ripped all this out. Someone else did this too, but we ripped all this out because it was all soggy, all moldy. I got apprentice here cleaning everything up. Bucket of drywall. This was a mess, but this is a flange here. You can see it's all wet up there. Been leaking for a long time. So monster. Skibidi toilet. Read that message, Vince, what he said. Take our jumbo here. Put it right on there. I want to have something. So I just take putty, make a fat turd. This thing now. Ply line. It's been leaking for who knows how long. The damage downstairs.